You're not imagining it. Everyone's a little quieter. Cameras off. Microphones muted. No one's pushing back. No one's leaning in. It's not burnout. It's detachment. And it's spreading faster than that inspirational Teams channel no one reads. People used to care. Now they just comply. Sounds good. Will do. Let me circle back. Translation? I'm here so I won't get fired. Meetings where no one turns their camera on. Projects where everyone's doing the bare minimum. Leaders who send just checking in messages like digital post-it notes. The lights are on, but nobody's home. Why it's happening? Because work got weird. We gave people more flexibility, then took it back. We said we trusted them, then installed mouse trackers. We ran 1,000 engagement surveys and ignored the results. Now people are opting out, without quitting. Company culture isn't snacks and all hands and branded hoodies. It's how people feel when no one's watching. And right now, they feel like pawns in a PowerPoint. Sure, your dashboards are green, but morale's in the red. Work is happening, but it's hollow. Everyone's busy, but no one's engaged. And if you think hybrid is the problem, congrats. You've diagnosed the symptom. What people actually want. Clarity. About what matters, what's urgent, and what they can ignore. Hint. Not just another strategy slide. Trust. To work without being treated like they're cheating the system. Purpose. Something bigger than OKRs and KPIs. Something that feels human. It's not complicated, but it is inconvenient for micromanagers. So how do we fix it? Let's start with the foundation. Ditch the fake urgency. Everything isn't a fire drill. Clarify the why. Connect daily tasks to real-world impact. Protect boundaries. Your top talent is one Sunday Teams ping away from checking out. This isn't just management. It's leadership. Here's what it looks like. Show up for your people. In one-to-ones, not just team calls. Give people problems to solve, not just tasks to complete. Replace status updates with meaningful check-ins. Model calm confidence, not panic productivity. People aren't quitting jobs. They're quitting bullshit. If your team feels distant, don't pull them back with tighter policies. Pull them in with purpose. That's how you rebuild belief. That's how you fix what's broken. Subscribe for more work therapy. This is why work is broken.